Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cleaning the Figma file so the conversion is predictable. Export visible assets as SVG for vector elements and PNG for photos. Include 1x and 2x sizes for retina. Once done, make sure frames are named and grouped logically so you can map them to HTML sections. Copy the Figma CSS snippets for fonts, sizes, colors, and simple shadows. This saves time. Now create a new project folder with index, HTML styles, CSS, and an asset/directory to receive the exports. You now build structure. Translate each Figma frame into semantic HTML elements like header, nav, main, section, and footer so accessibility and organization are better. Then implement layout with Flexbox for one-dimensional rows and CSS grid for complex two-dimensional arrangements. Reference the Figma layout grid for column gaps and widths. Once the skeleton is working, import the font files or Google Fonts. Define CSS variables for color tokens and type scales, and reproduce spacing using rem units to keep scaling consistent. You finish by polishing visuals and interactions. Optimize exported images, minify CSS, and run the page through 320 to 1440 pixel breakpoints to ensure responsiveness. Recreate essential Figma interactions with CSS, hover, focus, and simple transitions. Add minimal JavaScript for complex states. Once deployed locally, test in multiple browsers. If things break, inspect the computed styles and toggle layout borders to locate collapsed containers or zero-height elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.